walking into Jackson Hole here. This is some of the most beautiful scenery in the entire country going through Jackson Hole. It is awesome. Some big mountains on the horizon. Wind River Range. Nice. Yeah. Beautiful river. I got one bite. And then elk hair. I think right down here there's an area where these two little creeks converge. Give that a shot, maybe. Man, the scenery is just outstanding here. This one, just a real little brook trout. Boy, what pale coloring. Could be a cutthroat, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe under. Yeah, maybe. He's gone. Oh, last night I got whacked with a rainstorm. And I stayed dry, but it's freezing cold this morning, and just trying to recoup. Got kind of wet last night. Well, that is why you fix the old whisper. And may I say that I normally don't eat like I'm in the Klondike, but I gotta use up some of this stuff. Buffalo sausage and eggs. The buffalo sausage is getting pretty rank. The car is getting rank. I'm getting rank. And my feet smell like fine cheese of Europe. And it always is amazing to me how after a night like that is so bad, the sun comes out and everything is nice again. Can change so fast. Well, that was a very interesting rainstorm last night. Everybody got hammered. Whoever was up here with me. I gotta get out of this canyon. There's the Tetons in the distance. That is so beautiful. Look at that. In the clouds. So neat. I don't think I've got it in me to go through Yellowstone. I'm getting kind of tired of tourists, man. So I think what I'm gonna try is to go down and around and up through, up around Yellowstone. Survival. 3 weeks on the road. In the books.